Generally, what happens, we think that whatever the mind says is my desire. When the body pushes us to do something, the body generates some desire. As Srila Prabhupada mentions, this body is a pushing machine. The body generates various kinds of impulses. It impels us to, it gives us impetus for various activities. What are the kinds of impulses that the body generates? Vacho vegam, manasah krodha vegam, jihva vegam, udara upastha vegam. In the Upadeshamrita, Srila Rupa Goswami lists out what are the pushings or what are the impulses of this body. First is Vachaha Vegam, the urge, the impulse to speak. Everybody wants to talk. Everybody wants to be heard. Nobody wants to hear. In management, they say the greatest problem with managers is they don't listen. Because innate desire in every living entity is to be heard. Nobody wants to hear. Everybody wants to be heard. That is an innate desire in every living entity. This urge to speak is very strong in every living entity. Vachaha vegam, manasaha krodha vegam. The impulse of the mind to get angry when one's desires are frustrated. That is another strong impulse which we cannot control. We cannot control the desire to speak. That is why people will come and talk anything and everything that comes to their mind. They will not be able to control themselves. Whatever comes to their mind, they have to speak. That is the strong impulse. Similarly, when a person gets angry, he cannot control himself. That anger has to come out, it has to express itself. Vacho vegam, manasaha krodha vegam, jihva vegam. The urge, the impulse given by the tongue to taste a certain kind of food. People cannot control. That is why restaurants do good business. Because they know people cannot control themselves. They will come and eat. They will always have customers. This urge of the tongue to taste different kinds of food stuff is what makes man commit various sinful activities, like even killing animals, just because. Why do people maintain such big slaughterhouses and kills animals on such big scale? Because they cannot control their tongue. The urge of the tongue is so strong and powerful that they cannot control themselves. They have to go and kill animals and eat. This is Jihva Vegam. And Udara Vegam, the urge of the stomach to eat more and more. One is not satisfied with whatever is required to keep his body and mind together. They want to fill the stomach to its full. Even after that, people are not satisfied. In the Roman civilization, the people who used to live, they used to be famous for their sense gratification. They had invented many ways to gratify their senses. One of their ways by which they used to satisfy the cravings of the tongue and the stomach, they would go to some restaurant and they would eat. They would eat and eat till they were full, not even up to the throat, full up to the nose. Now, stomach has got full. There is limited space. You cannot go and fill more. So what they will do, they'll go to the bathroom and deliberately they would vomit out whatever they had eaten. They would put their finger into the mouth and vomit everything. Then come back to the seat and again continue eating. Again go and vomit. Again come back and sit and eat. You see how when the force of the stomach a person is not able to control, what all he will do. He is not satisfied with filling his belly once. He has to go vomit and again fill. Again empty it out, again fill it. So this is Udara Vegam. And when one's urge to fill the stomach and one's urge of the tongue to taste different kind of food stuff is satisfied, what happens is next pushing comes, next impulse comes. upastha vegam, the force of the genitals to have sex. This also people cannot control. And because of this, what happens is man and woman come together, they undergo so many difficulties, they partake of so many difficulties simply to satisfy this sex urge. These are the impulses, basic impulses of the body, which constantly keep pushing us to do various activities. And therefore, Prabhupada says this body, the human body, is a pushing machine.